Welcome to Dream Cars. The 2025 Toyota RAV4 is stylish digitally. At least. The most recent rumors indicate that the 2025 Toyota RAV4 will have a completely revamped look. So we can only assume that there will be a plethora of interesting new features. Since we are talking about the most recognizable SUV in the world, it is hardly surprised that there are already numerous unofficial rumors suggesting different tweaks, especially considering that the details are yet unavailable. We will use some of them as a basis, but we will also speculate on the most cutting-edge RAV4. We don't completely dismiss the possibility that we would see something extremist, but given the model's prevalence, this update ought to be extremely comprehensive. That this is merely a progression, then, is without dispute. And that is why we think the majority of developments will have a revolutionary impact. Despite the first advanced deliveries appearing on the web, it's still easy to build expectations when it comes to details. Replicating Toyota's active aging plan's successful implementation would be a huge challenge. Even though it's getting a makeover in 2021, the Toyota RAV4 still looks great and isn't showing any signs of late model tiredness. The base price for the 2025 model is $28,675, and you can get it in hybrid, $31,725, or plug-in RAV4 Prime, starting at $43,690. But word on the street is that the Japanese carmaker is planning to retire the present model. The realm of digital automotive video creators certainly thinks so, as they enthusiastically back the reports of a brand new 6th-generation compact crossover SUV. The Pixel Master took inspiration from the well-liked Prius hybrid and came up with a concept for a compact utility vehicle, CUV, with a similar front fascia. Stylish details include an LED taillight treatment, a shelf-shaped rear window with a concealed C-pillar design, big front air intakes, and body-colored alloy wheels that give off an impression of luxury. The increasingly rough look of modern Toyota SUVs stands in stark contrast to this amateur version. The second-generation European CHR, which is no longer sold in America, seems to have served as an inspiration for this one as well. Thus, what is your opinion? Is the existing model, the RAV4, which is 7 years old, still selling well in the United States, and is Toyota prepared to introduce the brand new 6th-generation RAV4 to the market? Furthermore, if they decide to make a change, will they go for a more rustic or sophisticated style? Thanks for watching.